Hey, this is Minnie, and this is a special video. It's not very much to do with miniatures, but I'll be making a microwave mug cake. So, the cake will be baked, or rather microwaved, in this Winnie the Pooh mug, which is the mug that I normally use. So I'm just gonna try out the recipe for the microwave mug cake, so hopefully it turns out well. So I'll be preparing the ingredients first. So first we need an egg, 1 egg. So we will beat the egg first. You also need 3 teaspoons of oil, but I'm using melted butter. That would work as well, I hope. I'm gonna just put 2 teaspoons because I don't want it to be too oily. Okay, so the butter is kind of melted, and I'll leave that aside. So now I'm gonna put in 4 tablespoons of flour first. I actually compiled the recipe from several other recipe videos, so the order of putting in the ingredients are different for all 3 videos, so I'm just gonna try out by putting the flour first. So 4 tablespoons or 1 cup, as in 4 tablespoons is equals to 1 cup. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of flour. Next you need 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Next I'm gonna put in the egg and the melted butter. In goes the egg. And the melted butter, which is almost fully melted by now. Okay. So now I'm gonna just use a spoon and give it a good mix. So I mixed it well, and I added 1 pinch of baking powder and also a small pinch of salt, and mix it well again. Now I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons, or is it 3? Oh, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm just gonna mix well again. Oh yes, I forgot, you also need to add in 3 tablespoons of milk. So I just added in my 3 tablespoons of milk, so I'm just gonna mix the whole mixture well. So now that I've mixed the batter well, I'm gonna add in some chocolate chips as well. Oops, okay. This step is not compulsory. Okay, so I've mixed it well, so I think it's ready to go into my mug. So I'm just gonna pour the batter into my mug. So this is how it looks in the mug, and I'm gonna pop it into the microwave now. So now I'm gonna put it into the microwave. Okay, so it's on medium high, so I'm supposed to cook it for 3 minutes. Okay, I see it rising now. Yeah, as you can see, it's rising out of the cup now. Woo! I hope it doesn't explode or anything. Just let it continue cooking for a while more. Whoa. So it's about 2 minutes and a half now. Looks like it's deflating a little, so I'm just gonna start the microwave. Oh, smoking. Smell the chocolate and the egg now. So I'm gonna take it out with an oven mitt. Oh, look. Okay, so it's out now. Feels kind of rubbery. I hope it's not a bad thing. It's quite bouncy. So I'm just gonna cut into it. Looks fluffy.